Today we're looking at JBL's BandBox Trio practice amp. It's an amp, effects suite, looper, mixer, speaker, tuner, and more all in one box. That makes it a powerful portable toolkit for woodshedding that you can set up pretty much anywhere. You can plug your guitar, bass, or microphone in and choose from a bunch of onboard effects, and you can play along with any music you choose. You can even use the built-in stem AI separation to pull out and isolate tracks in the mix. The BandBox Trio shares DNA with JBL's enormously popular Bluetooth speakers, including their Party Box line, all of which also let you connect a mic and/or guitar. You hear the same signature startup and connection tones when you power up the Trio. And like JBL's other Bluetooth speakers, it's got excellent battery life, up to 10 hours, and it takes about 3 hours to give it a full charge with the included heavy-duty AC power cable or via USB-C. It's got 135 watts of amplification driving a 6.5-inch woofer and 2 dome tweeters, which means it can get pretty loud, but it's not going to shake the house. The Trio's practice and creation tools are where it gets more interesting. For inputs, you get 2 combination 1/4-inch TRS XLR inputs, each selectable for instrument or microphone, a 1/4-inch jack for guitar, a 3.5mm aux input for connecting a music source, and a versatile USB-C port for connecting a phone, tablet, or computer to play music from, or to send audio out to a digital audio workstation, or DAW. It also works for charging the BandBox Trio or charging your phone or other USB-C device, and it works for when you're doing a software update when you're running the free JBL One app. You don't need the JBL One app to control the BandBox Trio, but depending on your setup, it might be more convenient, and it expands the features with additional effects. But one of the attractions of the Trio is that you can do everything right on the box. That shortens the distance you have to cover to get into the zone musically. Let's look at the controls. Up top, you've got a master volume knob that you can also press and hold to see tools, which include a built-in tuner, metronome, drum machine, and looper, plus other settings. Then you've got these 5 knobs that change depending on what the display shows you. When you press the mixer button, it lets you control the levels of the 4 inputs plus the master volume with the knobs. If you press these individual channel buttons, you can select amplifiers, cabinets, and effects for your guitar, bass, and adjust the EQ, reverb, and delay on the vocals. It's a great practice tool. I can think of several times where I would have put a Trio to good use when I got gigs with an established set list where I'd be sitting in on guitar or bass. You can stream a song on loop play and run it until you learn it, and on down the list, playing along to existing tracks, or pulling out a track completely to clearly hear what your part sounds like. Let's take a look at how that works.
No longer afraid. Yes, those shadows return, but I welcome them all by their names. They spoke of a lady who's clothed with the sun. Their darkness was just leading me to you.
It's also great for isolating a part so you can hear exactly what's going on. That's great for practice, and sometimes it's just fun to hear. And if the recording isn't quite in tune with your in-tune guitar, you can adjust the pitch of the recording up or down to match. You can dial in guitar effects, working from presets that you can edit and save as favorites. And you can use the looper as a sketchbook. Just remember that you can't save what you create this way unless you're connected to a digital audio workstation. What makes this such a fun and useful practice amp is not that it's the best DAW interface, the best looper, the best amp simulator, the best guitar effects unit, the best drum machine, or the best at anything that it does. It's that it does it all in one totally portable box. It's a great rehearsal tool and musical sketchbook for 1 or 2 musicians that can be quickly set up anywhere, and if you're on the road, it can do double duty as a great sounding Bluetooth speaker and karaoke machine. I hope we've given you a feel for how useful and fun the BandBox Trio can be for budding musicians like your kids who are just getting into playing music, as well as for more experienced musicians who want a powerful one-box practice amp that you can take with you anywhere. If you have any questions about the BandBox Trio, get in touch with us here at Crutchfield today.